Ah, hello, hello, hello. This is your simple and fun family. Hi everyone, we go with a boat. Let's go together. After a dinner, everyone, we go with a boat. Enjoy it. Ah, ah. Enjoy it, everybody. We go with a boat, everyone, after dinner for enjoying. So it's not now at my place. I will put down that you can see the view, everyone. Have a nice evening, everyone. Here, the view. That is the view, everybody. And I have to adjust. Yeah. Still have there is fisherman also, everyone. Oh, there, oh. My husband will like to go fishing. Yeah, fishing. The other fisherman is there. Oh, look, oh. The other fisherman, everyone is over there. Da, over there. Eating adik fisherman, everyone. Mini fisherman, yeah. Mini fisherman. Hi, good evening, everybody. Last time I forgot to on my mic. I forgot to on last time. Oh my god. I hope it's not in home yet. Anyway, I charged already this one. Going with a boat. My husband will go fishing. Only for enjoying. I don't know if they will catch or not. We will see. A little bit little bit the shadow, everyone. The sun will go a little bit down. I hope I do not feel cold because my coat is normal only I wear. The bridge, everyone, the Awan, Interstate Awan. That bridge, yeah. Three minutes, where everyone, oh, 3 minutes pa. I said to my husband, is I have to start now. He said no because he has to make ready and I have to help a little bit, yeah. I help a little bit because paat, yeah, paat. There are bridge, everyone, oh. Evening, everybody. Very quiet here. Please enjoy it. Like and share, subscribe, please, to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Please. That everyone is not easy. Everyone, to be a vlogger is not easy. Very hard. You have to make download, upload. So it's not every sa make sometimes everyone, yeah. I'm very tired, yeah. It's not easy because the shoulder is the pain. Very difficult if you don't have cameraman. Just only me. I have to do it, yeah. It's not easy, yeah. It's not uneasy, but I have to do it. I have to do it. My husband will go fishing, I will come. My kiddos doesn't like to come. He feels boring. He feels boring with the boat, yeah. They like to play there in the house. Ping pong. Ping pong playing, yeah. Enjoy it, everyone. Sometimes it's moving, everyone, yeah, sorry. Because it's a little bit the wind, a little bit strong, a little bit, yeah. Imagine how when we go out, I arrange the plates on the things in washing machine before we will go. I wash first the washing machine, yeah. When I'm back, it's finished that, yeah. Tomorrow morning, I arrange that, yeah. Very busy. When we are back in the house, everyone, we have to watering the plant. It's still bright, everyone, when we are back, guys. It's still bright here in the evening. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, a little bit bright, everyone. That's why with the boat, we cannot sleep early. We will sleep middle of the night, yeah. Just only the kiddos sleep early, yeah. 9 o'clock, yeah. But me and my husband will sleep in the middle of the night as well. We were looking for the movie. Nice movie, yeah. For the sports, yeah, sports. Football, yeah. Please enjoy it, everyone. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please support me to my YouTube channel that I can support also to everyone. Wala pa tayo 1 million, everyone. We don't have 1 million. There is a fisherman also with a boat, oh. Starting, oh, everyone. Fishing. When is the sun will go out, starting fishing, yeah. I heard yesterday, colleague with my husband is they will catch 2 fish, yeah. Egg and forel, yeah. Very good for eating. Very big catch yesterday, yeah. There is a fisherman, everyone, oh. With a boat to solo, oh, everyone, oh, that. That is a fisherman. I have to make away, everyone, kay is it to be babay already, yeah. We have to be respect, yeah, kay some people doesn't like starring, yeah. Some people, you have to be take care, yeah. Anyway, it's par, but he said to me, he said already, di ba sa already, hello, yeah. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, how do you do? Ay! It's the bamboo tree. Oh, that is the bamboo. The house of the ducks, wild ducks, yeah. And the swan. Some people is there, everyone will give bread for the ducks, yeah. Sometimes I will go to everyone, oh, give bread for the ducks, yeah. But if you go early, it doesn't eat. They will eat that at 2 o'clock like that, yeah. Early in the morning, it doesn't eat. It doesn't like. it, everyone. Yung meat fishing na siya to. Justin, out there, oh. Pero beside him, under a poem, there is a fish. There is fisherman, oh. Fisherman use a two stock, twice stock. There siya to, there, in the Sonic ba siya there? Yung meat fishing din rada, oh. I said to my husband, meat fishing in the sun, and the dark is, I don't like it's cold, yeah. In the dark, I don't like everyone is cold, yeah. Ini auto dari seperti anybody with green din, yeah. Ini auto. Very quiet, everyone. Quiet, yeah, quiet. Five degree today, everyone. 25 degree, yeah, very nice. But here in the water is cold, oy. It's cold. Ay. 13 minutes pa ba, God? Kaya pa 1 hour, everyone. Ha, ha. There are 10 minutes and 13 minutes pa I said to my husband, I have to start a little bit early. He doesn't like, yeah. Just only if we start to ride a boat, I have to start. You can make fishing here. Mark, stop, Sadat. Stop. The Sonic is here, oh, he's there in the sun. The fish will go out there, Sonic there, oh. There, show. I said, my husband, you have to make a fishing, you have to make this. I don't like in the shadow, I like in the sun, in the Sonic, yeah. I feel cold in the shadow, everyone. Normal coat I wear was 25 degree, but in the water here is yeah. Downstairs here is cold. Yeah. Don't know when I will make it. Is it to be wait? Why? But I have to wait, yeah. Wait there now. Kala ko away yung kaniya. Kaya na, maligsan ka. Ay, the ducks, yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, di ba din big grill dari everyone, no? Yeah, big grill, no? And it's nice weather. We are finished grill, everyone. Finish already grill, yeah. Finish eating our dinner, yeah. Now it's time to go fishing. Ah, I hope my honey have a fish today. Tonight. Tonight kay evening kaya. Evening na tonight ya. It's getting cold by everyone in the evening. The evening getting cold ya. Train everybody na train is there, oh. Going to Zurich ya. Zurich. Zurich train station. There will go. Stop there. Kaya bigyan magkakabir may head everyone. It's a little bit cold. Ay! A little bit cold everyone. Asam ni baatan ni may pagibaatan ni bulaan na sura ni watay kameraman. It's a very difficult. It's a very difficult without cameraman. Because the Lisa only is cameraman. The Lisa only is the camera girl, yeah. Gahan na itong kamera ni sura. Iso, di watay cameraman everybody, yeah. But when my honey will be stopped, I have to make it baat my coat. Cover of my coat, everyone. I put the cover of my head, yeah. Here, shot, you try, shots. Try here. You have to stop. You try here, I should. For sure have here, yeah. You stop so that you stop, yeah. I say to my husband, stop, yeah. Here beside here is nice. Here, baby have a fish here, da. And you can start now, uy. Start fishing. Put your nylon ang 10. Huh? Yeah, you have to stop the machine. You have to start fishing, yeah. Wait, everyone, ha? Kay my honey will be akuroy po ni trabaho. Ay, moving man po ding. I will put down na may ni camera. It's moving man po da. Because I have to make baat my coat. Here, oh da. Me for sure have a fish on tin, yeah. Beside the bamboo tree there, oh. Here. The train again, everyone, oh. The train, oh. Train. Ay, the train is always stopped at in Banhop, Kilwangin. You start now your fish, yeah. So I have to make it may kalo na may cover of the cup, cover of my head, everyone. Wait, everyone, ha? Make a cover my don't tumba-tumba din ha kay agoy. Agoy na tumba jud. My goodness God. Don't tumba-tumba ay. Tumba-tumba po ni siya din ha. Oy nga. Wait everyone, I have to make it cover my still on kay sometimes it's not on. I put a cover my head everyone kay You know, it's a it's a little bit and cold. It's bitter like that, everybody. Make it sure, everyone. Ah, sunglass with Lisa kay there is the mosquito will be go to the inside in the inside the eyes. Yeah. Starting mosquito, everyone. Starting now. Repeat mo po this one. Oy nga ano, palabian malisag hugot ita kaginhawa oy. Like that Like that. We don't have to be repeat. I cannot inhale now when it's very repeat. Yeah. Like that. Oh, like that. Oh, like that. Hello, everybody. Giluka ilong. Everyone, my hubby is in the back with me. Oh, fishing. Fishing. Hi. Fishing, everybody, my hubby. I have to look this one is on or not, Kevin. It's not on. So, last time is getting off. Yeah, I forgot to on, everyone, last time. I forgot to on. Hi, si Lisa is getting old. Yeah. 3 minutes without talking, everyone. 3 minutes. Imagine 3 minutes, no more talking. I help my husband in the boat ba? Because mini ba at the boat, yeah, mini. I help, yeah. I forgot to on the mic. That is the problem, yeah. I forgot to on the mic, yeah. Everyone, nice my teeth, everyone, oda. But I do not brush, but today, when I'm back, I brush today. It's getting nice, my teeth now, da? Brand new na here in the, mahal, everyone. Very expensive one, everyone. I don't know how much is one. The bill is coming, everybody, the bill. The bill is coming, yeah. I cannot make video, everyone, when they make it, my teeth nice, yeah. I have to go back in Friday morning because they make it ultrasound for a final. They look the final. After that cleaning, 27 May is cleaning time. After that, break na. Break na Lisa, yeah. Just only in 3 months, I have to go one time, yeah. That is the style for everybody. You have to clean your teeth, yeah. Not every month, mine is, I have to go one time in 3 months, one times only I have to go. In 3 months, I have to go for a cleaning teeth, yeah. Disturbing mo ba? I like that. Ay, don't cover, please. Ay. Hi, everybody. Enjoy it, everyone. My honey is the fishing. Nick, I make it like that, everyone. Later, I get a camera and you can look here around. It's already around. I'm tired because today I prepare the train again. Always the train pass here. Today I prepare the other bed in the other room. 2 bed I bring there to the other room, yeah. I'm tired. Sorry, everybody. Tired as Lisa, everyone, yeah. Tired. I have a good sleep today, I hope, yeah. I have a good sleep tonight, I hope so, yeah. Because I wake up 5 o'clock, everyone, in the morning today. I wash the laundry 2 times. I make halay outside, everyone. Yeah. 1 o'clock is very dry na my clothes I bring inside na. 1 o'clock is very dry because 25 degrees is very hot, yeah. Very early Lisa wake up. Okay, I take the time because when is the sun will go up, then I have to outside. I have to halay outside. Yeah. Upangka outside halay. Upangka is the halay. Yeah. I have to do it, yeah. When it's nice weather, I have to make it outside everyone. When it's very strong the sun, very quick, only dry the clothes, yeah. Very nice, yeah. Enjoy it, everybody. I hope you are not feel boring. For me, here is only sitting. Next time, I have to bring here keys and I can lie down here, da, da. I bring here the kissing means is pillow. Pillow and the towel, everyone. I can lie down here. My honey will go fishing. Is nice. A blanket as well, cover. Next time, everyone, I can lie down and I can bring the kissing, the pillow and blanket. Yeah, it's ginuk. Train again. My God, look na. Always marahap a train. Oy, how many train margo? Is here. Oy, very nice. Oy. My God, train. Always maka-train. 7 minutes about train again. Always about train, everyone. That is the style. You are not getting late. Yeah, on time here. On time. Many people will go with the train. Yeah, will go. Many, yeah. The train will be very on time. No more late. No more late, yeah. I hope na own siya kay susog maop kapuya everybody. I own already before I go out in the house kay last time I forgot to own ya. I forgot to own. I'm not worried this one it's not 100% my cell phone battery but I have a power bank that I put in my pocket power bank the here power bank yeah. The wire is always in the power bank. Yeah. That is not getting lubat everyone ba. It's not good when it's lubat no. Getting cut off. Ay, getting dark na everyone, oh. The sun will go down now. Ay, ay, ay. The sun, si Haring Adlaw, da. Haring Adlaw, da. The sun will be go down now a little bit, yeah. My husband yesterday will go also fishing with colleague. Other train pilik that araw. That araw, pilik da. Araw. I have a penalty that, oh, 70 franc. I was sitting in the wrong seat, yeah. First class, Lisa sit down. Doesn't know. After that, I have a bill. Anybody will control me. Uh, Anybody will control me, everyone. Ibato, everyone. I have a bill, everyone. Very big na now. 70 franc, everyone. Oh my God. Ay, Diyos ko, God. 70 franc. Very big na ng piso, everyone. Batoy na. 70 franc. How much? Ano, eh? Na, train again, oh. Always dapat train, ulo ka. Always, yeah. Always and forever, yeah. Please enjoy it. Relax as Lisa, everyone, ha. Relax sa kay. Little bit, I hope today is not many mosquito. Mosquito is a little bit, Last time, sauce the mosquito, make it fish tire, so fail. So many. So many last time, yeah. Now we have a chance, no, very small only mosquito, yeah. I don't like mosquito, everyone. I will go inside my eyes, yeah. Even you have sunglass, you will go inside, yeah. Disturbing. That is my style, everyone. My honey has a boat now, so after dinner we go a little bit fishing. We do not know, everyone. My honey will catch fish. But the problem, he doesn't have a worm because I cannot get a worm in the garden. Is already have a plant my garden. Yeah, he cannot make up with my garden. I said already last time you have to get. Because if I plant, you don't have worm na. Ay, wala na worm. No more space na for a worm. He has to look for a store everyone for the worm ya. Kay ipaon man niya mangisda siya ya. But the worm, the store of the worm everyone is almost there a border Germany, Parawi over there. The worm is far. Just only will go there for buy worm. I don't know when. Today no time. Today is no time because the Lisa will buy plant and Landy. Plant for the garden, always Lisa and buy flowers. I love flowers because if I have flowers around in the house, my problem is away. If I can see the flowers and beautiful, very nice, away the problem. That makes me happy, everyone. It's nice the flowers, everyone. Flowers lover is Ekya. I am flowers lovers. The sun will go down now. Oh, there. Oh, the sun there. Oh, will go down now. Almost the tiny dark. It's almost the dark. The sun will go down now. Last time, oh, here, my honey will be no more gasoline here. We go back with everyone. Here is empty gasoline last time here. Use my honey bugsay. I said you have to make it sure that you have a gasoline in the boat because we do not know when you are far away and no more gasoline. It's not an easy. Very difficult bugsay everyone, yeah, bugsay. Yes, a stick everyone. There is a bugsay. That is a bugsay, the two bugsay. Two. I don't know how to handle it everybody. I don't know. Kay, like that on the bugsay, like that. Aba, two bugsay, you make it like that, like that. It's not man like that. It's not. If like that only, I know how to handle like that, or like that. But he has like that, na. It's like flying bugsay man like that, like that. Make it like that. I said, Pao, you have to make a break. You have nasmer pain the shoulder now. I said, break time always, yeah. That's why my kid doesn't like to come. Last time. Gikapoy na last time, ganaut da gasolina kung baylab. I said, bring gasolina when we go when it's no more gasoline, it's not easy. Use the bugsay, and then bugsay, very para awi, pag-ubak in the boat area. Getting tired, may honey lagi, yeah. I said, I'm correct lagi. I told you, bring the reserve. Always you'd have a reserve. Today, doesn't bring, make it full tank already, yeah. He make it full tank already, gallon everyone, gallon of the gasoline, make it full tank already, yeah. Make it sure. Because last time he have a tank, very small only. 1 liter only, very quick only, yeah. Now he has 4 liters, everyone. 4 or 5 liters he has na. Is enough na, is enough. It's enough for fishing. But he doesn't use gasoline now because they will stop the boat, yeah. Small only gasoline he will use. Small. I use this one, everyone, kay a little bit cold here, everyone. I forgot to bring my kalo. It's not necessary. Kalo, yeah. Forgot to bring kapa, yeah. Oh, hi. What is the time now, Belok? 10 minutes before 8 o'clock. 10 minutes nak or. Nah, moving the boat, everyone. Oh, so sorry, everybody. Like that is like a dancing aura. My hand is fishing man in the back with me, everyone. Fishing time, my honey, tonight. Yesterday, he was already at 9:30 na go home. He will go 4 o'clock, everybody. He will go home and 9:30 na evening, yeah. Na-addict na fishing, may nilibya. May honey. With kulig, yeah. He has a boat, everyone. He has to use. He has to use kasi he has a boat. Tapon akong Mo down man ni siya, oy. Don't be down, oy. Na, train again, oh. The train again. Ha? Biso? It's not good. You are only sitting here. The fisherman is not in moving just only like that. He has to move everyone. I have to one guy I like to go to the other side and the other. He said to me he like to move it, yeah. I said yeah. I'm I am only a passenger. I'm not a driver, so you have to move, yeah. I will be following you, yeah. Following. It's okay only here. Oh, well, for sure have a fisher mini, yeah. Unten. Abay, I said, unten is down mini fish, yeah. The problem is doesn't have a worm. The fish will eat the worm, but he use only the stainless when everyone, yeah. Tukan ko sa kung lawa everyone. Sorry everybody. He use only the metal by everyone, metal, but there's the fish color as well, the small one, yeah. Because he doesn't have a worm, yeah. He has to buy worm. The wati by everyone, wati. Wati, yeah, the wati will eat more fish, yeah. Very quiet every day, everyone. Oh, look, oh, shadow na here, everyone. Na guys, the shadow na here, in shadow na da. Haring adlaw, go down na there, oh, da. Si haring adlaw. Down already, yeah. It's okay, everyone, we just only enjoying here. Trend everybody. Always in the trend everybody, oh. Going to Zurich, that's Zurich. Train station, Zurich. Next time we have to go in Zurich, yeah. I like to go in the Zurich Sea. Zurich, balik, everyone. It's nice, yeah. It's nice to enjoy there in the Zurich Sea. $36 pa we are shots. 38 minutes, yeah. I do not go home pa very early pa, oy. We have to enjoy sa here. 38 minutes pa we are. Wala pa 40 minutes. Not yet. I'm sure there is a fish, everyone. Here, everyone. Yesterday, anybody will catch a fish already yesterday, yeah. Because the other guy is whole day. Whole day. My husband only is, I think, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6 hours only my husband. He'll go fishing yesterday, yeah, 6 hours, yeah. Because he in the May 1 is he go working, everyone. Some people is free. But my honey is work, yeah. He go work. Huh? What? What is coming? It's a girl. Skin of plots here. Skin of plots. He can go there beside with us in the back with us, no problem. We come here beside, no problem. We can go fishing here beside. Oh, here is okay. Ako'y getting mini mosquito siya to.
Ja, als wäre die Screenshot.
Ha? Anay, the mosquito will go out na siya. Tulo, kumini na. Ta! Aguroy, it's getting me na mosquito, everyone. I don't like ba mosquito. Kamu mugo na in my eyes, oy. In my eyes. That's why I have a I have a sunglass, everyone. Where is the other boat you said? Fisherman, also I think that, yeah, fisherman. You don't have to make it under tree, just only here, otherwise. That is a tambok man. Ah, train again, everyone, no? Cargo. Cargo. The cargo will go to Sorrekia. They will go fishing also that yeah is waiting for a colleague. Kaya the cargo is mini man karga. Oy, mini karga everyone cargo. Very long. My God. So mini. Oh, what's that? Oy, balikbayan box. Maybe that mini man cargo mini man. I don't know what's that. Eh, so mini. Very long. That is not the Stepan. Oy, that is not the Tambok. That is the Andiri. That is the others. The other fisherman, yeah. You don't have to throw away berry parias only here. Otherwise, you have a problem. "41 minutes, you are na. 41 minutes. The ducks, everyone. Oh, look at the ducks there, oh. Male and female, everyone, oh. There. Male and female. Brown on the green, yeah. Brown on the green, the head, yeah. Male and female together, yeah. There is the house at everyone in the bamboo, yeah. The bamboo trees over there. They will go right there, yeah. Fisherman, everyone, oh, look, oh, will pass over there. Is getting big waves, everybody. That is from the boat. I hope it's not stuck up your hook, my love. You have to take care, my love, because sometimes there is the the trees there, yeah. I don't know where I will go, everyone. I will follow my driver, everyone. Follow Lisa. 43 minutes. We are now 43 minutes. Later, we have to make a garden spritz, yeah. There is the hole still. Oh, go there, hintin. Here is the tree is there. Oh, goes kaput boat. You have to go hintin and then go here. Because the pulling down the trees there, over there. Otherwise, the boat is kaput. So.
You are 10 shots.
Nay, I have to brush my teeth later. I eat already one ice cream. It's enough, yeah. You have to eat candies, yeah. I don't need candies, yeah. You have prutas, tic-tac prutas, yeah.
I have TikTok now.
Yeah, you have to eat na. Don't use a cigarette ka. You have a gasoline in your lubot. Otherwise, you're getting burning, yeah. Don't make smoking. Don't smoke, yeah. Use the candy, yeah. Bitter. Don't smoke. You need good a warm. Huh?
Nice fishing like that.
Yeah, it's okay like that, yeah. Why not? You don't have to make a park. There is the must stack up. Yeah, there is the trees there pulling down. It's better just only here. It's not necessary over there. It's not necessary there because there is the tree pulling down over there. Oh, must stack up. Yung nylon na. Sawo mo naman na. May kapot. Ta, the nylon everyone or da. No more fish everybody. Kaya ni worm and he use only the stainless. Yeah, the behind. I don't know what's that. What's that metal only he use metal. It's not original worm. Yeah. Original worm pa that. The worm is a kisi-kisi pabuhi pa still alive. The fish will eat that. Yeah. That is the style of the fish. Yeah. 8 o'clock na over everyone. 8 o'clock. Overacting na. Over 8 o'clock. Yeah. Overactor. Anyway, we are only here everyone and we go back, yeah. We are not so long. It's only for fun, everyone. Only for fun, everyone. Enjoy it, everybody. Guys, it's getting dark na, guys. I don't have flashlight, guys. I forgot to bring. But anyway, it's still bright, yeah. Still and bright, so again, everybody. So, nah. Always the song, everyone. Always and forever. Ah, 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 ah. 46 minutes, yeah. What are you doing?
Use the system.
You use the other system? Combated, ha, sir. You used to the, you like to use the other system, everyone, yeah. Mini system he has, yeah. So many system for fishing, yeah. Combated, yeah. I hope you have to catch the barracuda, yeah. Barracuda. Hi, have a fish, everyone is like a familiar, ba? Family of barracuda, everyone. Yeah, very big the mouth of my neighbor catch already, everyone. Last time they will give me one, and also to the other girl from my neighbor as well from Samar. He gave as well one as well. What a big! Ay, the meat is very good, yeah. Ah, una dyan Lisa pagka 1 year yung nahurot og kaon. Very big, everyone, oy. Last time I cleaned that in the garage, yeah. Sos, it's not pwede that in lababo. Kaya mas stuck up ang lababong Lisa, oy. And then the garage, I have to clean everyone in the garage. Then I have to put direct in the canal the dirty, yeah. But after that, we clean also in the top of the canal. Kaya in the lababo is getting stuck up. Kaya kapuyag limpyo, everyone. Kaya ang himbis, mo stuck up man. Stuck up, yeah. Ay, God. Train again, everybody. Da. Every 7 minutes, everyone. The train will pass. Every 7 minutes. The train is emer ja. Emer dabei. Emer daya. Yeah, very nice because the boat is good. Like to go back here, oh. Shots. It's nice, shots, because the boat, our boat, chat, it's like in the position go back, shots. The wind will bring the waves will bring with us like that to go back. ah, it's much more better. Kay soon we go home. Ay, it's not with me, oy, that is that is the paon, everyone, or you say that, it's like sardines, metal, metal, everyone, yeah. Very far away, we will throw away, oh, very far. It's like a sardines, everybody. That is the metal. It's not original. They use the system that like that. Yeah. Because the big fish, they will eat the small fish. So, here's the idea, everyone. My honey has the idea because he is the fisherman. In the Philippines, that's fisherman. That Lisa Maligyag isda. I have to sell the fish. Ah, over there is anybody will make grill over there. Oh, in the back of the trees. Oh. Hmm? Over 8 o'clock na everyone. It's very quiet everyone. Guys, it's very quiet guys.
Very nice.
Yeah. Very nice, yeah. Why you do not wear, what is your coat?
I don't feel sick.
You do not feel cold? It's not comfortable, my honey. He doesn't feel cold. He said, yeah. He take off his coat, yeah. I said, where is your coat na, yeah? We are the same or coat. We are going dancing, yeah. I think where is the coat na? Na, train again, oh. Oy, the train is only the head, yeah. Where is the body? Ah, only the head, oh. Where is the body? The body is waiting over there. Very funny, the train, everyone just only the head. Only the head. Ah, there is lagi kindir over there, oh, dah. The kindir is there, ah. Playing. The male and female, everyone, ducklings, oh, the ducks, the wild ducks, yeah. Always together, yeah. Very style, but the train just only the head. Oh, now that is the train again, oh, dah. Ah, so strange. Always, forever train. Hmm. Always. In 7 minutes, have a train again. That is the style, everyone. You cannot getting late. Kaya that train, on time the train on the bus, yeah. Time is gold here, yeah. Ah, look, everyone. Oh, getting dark now, everyone. You think the sun will go down slowly, yeah. Slowly. Soon we go home also, everyone, yeah. 53 minutes na. 53. Maybe we are one hour over everyone. 1 hour, yeah. I give a time for my honey, yeah. That I can have upload. I don't have upload, everyone. I have to make download and then upload. It's not easy, everybody. My job is not easy. Ay, my job is not easy. Sana naman umabot po tayo ng 1 million. Paita. Wala pa yung taan. Walang wala. Ay, tiis pa, tiis ng tiis ya. Kailangan po talaga mag-antos para masantos. Na. Yung gira everyone, oh, student 10 playing. Playing. Playing dari ya. Playing dari yung ya. Very quiet everyone. Oh, look, oh, left and right. I have to look. Yeah. It's a very quietly. Just only Lisa is very noisily. Noisy. I'm noisy everyone because it's not good everyone if I do not talk. Yeah. You cannot understand. I hope you understand with me. Yeah. That is my style here, oh, like that. Simple only everyone, simple. Simple and fun family. But it's good everyone, yeah. Simple is the best. Ah, what's that? Oy, train again over there. Other side will go, that is from Araw. The other side, that is from Araw, yeah. This side is from Brog to Winterthur. Is train 12, yeah. 10 train 11 is going to Araw, yeah. Araw. I have a penalty that train 11, yeah. Ay, Diyos ko, God. I have to look, yeah. I have already experienced everyone. Next time, I have to look that there is the number of the seat everyone. If you go business class or the first class, I have a ticket only economy everyone. Economy I have. Mahal man ang business class and first class everyone is very expensive. I cannot afford that. Very comfortable Lisa. That's why I have penalty. Nobody will sit there, just only me. After that, I have to pay. Patay. Ay, Diyos ko, God. I have experienced already everyone. There is the number of the train, everyone, the sitting. I have to look because I have already experienced, yeah. Saon everyone. I do not ride, but I always train everyone. Yeah. I like to be comfortable sitting, but sit down. I don't know that I have a penalty. Yeah. Very quick, only the controller coming with me and asking with me my card. The bill will be sent to the mailbox. Yeah. In a few days, I have a bills already. Yeah. Kapuya. Ah,
Alright. Beide noch nicht. Je länger, je weniger.
asking that there is a fish ba or not. They will ask now. Liyungi ra ya. When ich kaysa gamer langsam Schatz. Es ist fast dunkel, Schatz.
No, it's nice. It's what how we talk.
Ja, ja, I know, ja. Ich weiß. Ich weiß. Ja, aber,
I see.
ja.
Very nice.
Ja. Was ist das, Sardines? Sardines, your paon. Ay, but it's tiny fish. Kai fish, no fish, I mean. Where is the fish? Hiding. Maybe sleeping the fish. Yeah. Now it's evening, sleeping pilik, maybe. So we have to go langsam siya, Choy. In 60 minutes, 1 hour, almost exact, oh, shots. Almost 1 hour I have. We can make a spritzy na siya, tabi na. Garden. Train again, ora. Every 7 minutes, everyone, olo ko. Every 7 minutes, yeah. Always, yeah, it's always, yeah. Now, it's getting me mosquito shots. Look, mosquito da. Chay. Attack na mosquito na. Attack na da. So feel. My God, everyone. Mini mosquito, everyone. Shots. Gamer. Gamer langsam. Was ist los dit in the hole, sir? Oi, das ist nicht gut Idee hier. There is a lot of you see, you have problem now. I told you it's not here. Yeah. Allah kadiha. Na, I have to. Anay, I told you lagi. Na, wala na, kaput na. You cannot na. Bring down a nylon unten. Nit siyen, unten siyen. Igos kaputat, abakitat ya. Na, kaput na. I told you it's not given by the hair. Cause many holes, yeah. Well, my honey, they doesn't cut the fish cuts, but they will cut the leaves of the tree, everyone. Yeah. Move na, we have to move na. Pero move, shits, langsam gihin. Langsam. Oy, da! Was magst du? Muss nicht, you have to look. I see it already everyone. Problem one is the mini holes are falling down. Beside, when your hook is there and then you have a problem. You cannot get your paon stuck up na there. You have to make better. I think it's need to sew nibin by there. Need sunahi. The train again everyone over there. Always yeah. Yeah, getting dark now everyone. Oh, the sun will go down now. The sun will go down. Getting dark yeah. Some people is jogging pa everybody. Oh, there. Look, oh. Look lah. Jogging pas manoy ora. Jogging pa. One hour sa shots. Over.
What time is it?
I have to look what is the time now. Wait. I have to look what is the time now. Yeah. My honey is asking me what is the time. 8:25.
Okay. 8:25.
Yeah.
Oh, we go back. Otherwise, it's dark.
Camera high now cause we have to give water plant. Camera high. We are in the house over hindi na over. Over 9 o'clock. The train everyone will be passed again. Going to Zurich Airport and sa Bahnhof ya. Remember? O Prumaras?
No.
Like that only? You make it really like that? It's like it's like a it's like a sardines for everyone. It's like a sardines sa paon everybody. It's like a sardines. No more fish, my honey. Tonight. Emmer, like that. We have to go home now, everyone. It's getting dark, everyone. Getting dark now. I like to go home now, everyone. I said to my honey, we have to go home now because it's it's getting dark. The sun will be the sun is hiding. Go down. Time to go home. Yeah. We have to make this side, everyone, because the other side is very shadow. Yeah. Everyone. Oh, the sun will go down, everyone. Look at that, guys. Oh, a little bit dark now. No more gasoline, ha? Cubic minil po sa why is like that. Manay jo kadin ha. Para awi para patawi go. Use kabugsay. I hope it's working na. Paris Street. Go back now, everyone. Very dark now, everyone. Oh, look, oh. It's a little bit dark now, yeah. So, it's time to go home, everyone. And hitting many mosquito, everyone, yeah. Many mosquito, guys. Make it na like that, everyone. Taro, mosquito will follow with me, everyone. Oy, follow with us, yeah. Look, oh, many mosquito, oh, look, oh. Tagkuar mo mosquito rin, everyone. Very many, everyone. Very many, yeah. Musiaw, mag-imuhang. Anong si mukha mo ito, musiaw mo na. Disturbing, yeah. Disturbing the mosquito, yeah. Shadow the other side here is better this side, yeah. You have to parent street shots. Slowly only may honey, everyone kay. You will make fishing, man. The fishing hook is the down of the boat, yeah. He has the idea, yeah. How can we make it watering plant in this dark na, oy? Why is turned off? I think what you is turn off fishing kung may honey everyone. Ay, biti tayo rin everyone. Ay. Wala, di saring adlaw. Go down sa saring adlaw eh. The sun will go down ay getting dark na. Getting dark na everyone. The sun will go down na ya. Very quiet now. No more boat now. Just only me. Just only us, yeah. You have to make the street shots like that shots. I don't know what are you doing. Oh, I like to go home na. I said to my husband, I like to go home now. Straight makanat beside ida there cause the mastak up na po ng nylon goroy. Na nice flowers everyone. Oh, white flowers. So I have to turn off this one everyone. Getting dark. Over there I have to turn off everyone. Over there, yeah. It's getting dark everybody. Getting dark, yeah. I like the sun will not go away. It's go away the sun, huh? Almost 9 o'clock, everyone. The sun will go down, yeah. Inaaya may hani ka padagan. Uy, kusog pa may galakaw, ani ay. Madali ito kaabot, ani. Suran, adik ko siya, fishing, adik ko. Very quiet everyone. Or building everyone rada. Da. Everybody now, everyone is enjoying. Nice weather, yeah. Enjoying. Because it's the nice weather, really. O pruma na shots, no? Hindi na shots. Getting dark and dark now. I see to my honey, you have to hipusan anak kay. We have to go home na kay it's 9 o'clock na. Better train, oh. We ride train, oh. Train is always, yeah. Train is always and forever. Always, yeah. I pass train kay every 7 minutes the train have a train. Ay, Diyos ko God.
So we go back?
Yeah, gamer shots. I told you, gamer now. Play bite. We have to go home now. It's dark now, yeah, dark. I don't like to take off my brili because sunglass because the mosquito. The mosquito will bite me, yeah. Ah, train, another train, ah. Yeah, every 7 minutes, everyone, the train will pass, oh, da. Ah, every 7 minutes, yeah. The train is will be always, yeah. Gamer, I like to go over the shots, yeah, you know. Oh my goodness, God. Hi. I'm tired now, everyone, oy. It's getting dark, everyone. I have to say bye-bye, everybody. Eh, everybody. I have to say it, everyone. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Like and share to my YouTube channel. Hi. I wanna see bye-bye, everyone, because now it's dark, everyone. I cannot bring you over there until in the boat. It's getting more and more dark because the sun will be already down. Go already away. It's hiding. It's haring adlaw, yeah. So I wanna say it to everybody. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice evening. Have a nice day to everyone. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Bye.